multi-item selection custom field. Empower your users with streamlined data entry process. So you can improve your efficiency when it comes to data entry. You can improve and enhance your productivity and your streamline your entire process. So let's take a use case and we'll create it like that. Here it is. So we're speaking about custom fields. So I'm going to create a custom field in my first branch, and I'm going to create it against a supplier. Imagine you're creating a new supplier and you want to associate some items against that supplier. Like you're always going to buy those items against a supplier. And when you go to the details of a supplier, you want to know the details of the items as well. So in such situations, I'm going to create a new field called item lookup. And the field type is going to be multi-select lookup. And I'm going to look it up from items. So in such situations, if you're going to create a new supplier, let's take the case of Google. And let me just add the GST number. If I add the GST number here, then we have some other fields also to be added. Yes, here we have the item lookup custom field that we have created. Here, let's take an example that we're going to buy a saxophone, flute, and let's say cajon, always from this particular supplier. So in such situations, we can associate it like this with the help of multi-select lookup field. And to be specific in this case, multi-select item lookup field. So we can save the supplier, and in the supplier's view, under the custom field sections, you can see item lookup, which is a field name, and we have the items along with the ID of the items shown. So that is the advantage here, right? So we already had multi-select lookup field, and it was against, the lookup modules were customers, suppliers, lead, and items. Or initially it was customers, suppliers, and lead. Right now we have bought in items as well. So that is a speciality.